Hey folks, a little chilly across the valley tonight. Has been that way since about last night at this time. Temperatures are going down and we've gone into the 40s and just stayed there. 43 in Weslaco, 48 right now. Port Isabel, Brownsville's 47. These are the currents. If you look at tonight's lows, they go down a little bit, but not all that much. Upper 30s, low 40s, and with the north wind coming in, it'll feel colder than that. It'll feel probably 5-6 degrees colder than the actual temperature. So your apparent temperature, your wind chill, colder than the actual temperatures. And then tomorrow, yeah, parts of the valley may touch 50, but for the most part, we spend the day in the 40s. That wind out of the north-northwest, maybe a little breezy because low pressure is going to develop right about here. When it develops there, you get a north wind, and that keeps the temperatures chilly all day during the daytime tomorrow. We're warming it back up a little bit on Sunday, going to 59. Some of the models have it back in the 70s on Sunday afternoon, but there's going to be enough of a north wind. It may hold for a while before it warms up, but by Monday, we're back in the 80s again. Notice on the radar, we're starting to see a little bit of light rain showing up again. It's just drizzle. Nothing heavy, but it's enough to be wipers on, wipers off as you're driving about the valley tonight. So just use a little extra caution. It'll get slippery pretty quickly out there. Satellite shows the clouds are thick. They're here, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. You watch tonight. Chilly conditions, on and off, misty drizzle, nothing heavy. 9 o'clock in the morning, it's about the way it is now, but maybe a little rain around, light stuff. Then during the daytime tomorrow, it just stays cloudy and chilly all day long. Goes for tomorrow night as well. Now Sunday, the clouds are still here early. Some of the model runs cleared out pretty quickly. This suggests afternoon sunshine. With that, temperatures warm up a little bit. It's just a question of how warm we're going to get. If you start to see sunshine on Sunday, temperatures could quickly bounce back into the 70s. But you're going to have to get a southerly wind, get some sunshine in here, and that's a big if. That could happen. It's not a done deal, though. Monday, warmer with temperatures back in the 80s with a little bit more sunshine. 50% chance of drizzle tomorrow, light rain, drizzle. Early stuff on Sunday. That should break by midday. And again, maybe some afternoon sunshine. There was a little bit of wintry precipitation in the middle of Texas today. San Antonio over through College Station. They saw some sleet, not much snow, and most of it didn't, none of it accumulated. Cold air building in. Again, low pressure is going to develop right here tomorrow. That gives us that northerly wind for another day, maybe even to the early part of Sunday. But eventually, warm front comes back to the north. That'll bring warmer air back into the valley. And again, temperatures back in the 80s for early next week. Tuesday, this front comes in, cools it off a little bit, but this front is Pacific in origin. It means the air mass is not as cold as the one that's here now. So it'll cool off a little, but not dramatically. At the coast, here's what's going on. Winds out of the northeast, 15 to 25 knots. Bay is rough. Small craft advisory in effect. There's a high risk of rip currents, 1, 2, 3 tides. Seas running 5 to 10 feet. So here's your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight. 39, cloudy, cold, drizzle at times, winter. Then tomorrow, still winter, 48 for high. If we don't get above 50 tomorrow, this will be the coldest day of the winter so far. And we're getting to the time of year when we don't typically have days this cold anymore. So this may be it. This may be winter.
This may be our winter.
This might be it, yeah. And then as quickly as it came, it leaves. Look at that, 83 on Monday.
Wow.
71 on Tuesday. You know, back to comfortable really quickly. And then for Valentine's Day on Thursday and Friday, about 80 degrees.
Yeah, Monday's looking good.
Yeah, warming up in a hurry. It's amazing because we were, McAllen was 91 yesterday. It's been in the 40s all day today. By Monday, back in the 80s.
That's telling Alan. Now I know why winter Texans come down to the valley every single year.
Yeah.
We've got great weather here.
No kidding. 2 days of winter's not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Enjoy.
All right, we're going to be back with sports.